Welcome back, Crammers, to question 11. Work out the value of 4 plus 3 plus 6 to the power of 2. We know that in BidMass, brackets comes first, then indices. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. And we square this. 13 squared is 169. 64 is equal to 4 to the power of n. Write down the value of n. So we have to convert 64 to a base of 4. So we can see here that 4 to the power of something is equal to 64. So we can simply look at 4 to the power of 1 is just 4. And 4 to the power of 2 is 16. But 4 to the power of 3 is equal to 64. So we can see here 4 to the power of 3 is equal to 64. And since we have to find n, only write the power. So n is 3. Work out the value of 9.3 plus 2.8 cubed, all square root, divided by 3.2 times 1.2. Write down all the figures on your calculator display. So here we have square root of 9.3 plus 2.8 cubed. And then we divide it by 3.2 times 1.2, which gives us 1.455820007. So we can write this here. We have to write all the figures on the calculator display, which is given to us as 1.455820007. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.